Hello Kishu holders, how are you my friends? This is the breaking news, alert news for all Kishu holders my friends. You will be feeling very happy after watching this video, so never miss any second of this video. And my friends, before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe my channel for more news and updates videos my friends. It is time, my friends, if we talk about the price of the Kishu, so 0.00000002 USD dollar is the current price of the Kishu, absolutely now this time the price of the Kishu, is very low. And other side, my friends, if we talk about the price changes occur in the Kishu, so now the last 1 hour changes is positive, last 1 day and last 1 weekend changes occur in the Kishu, is negative. Absolutely the price is very patently fast down, but now the latest change is last 1 hour changes of the Kishu is positive, my friends. So that's why I'm feeling very good about the Kishu, and you can see, my friends, if we talk about the price chart of the Kishu, of the last 24 hours. So now the price changes, you can see here that the price changes of the Kishu in the last 24 hours is negative 0.81% occurs. But now if you look, the latest change is the last 2 hours changes of the Kishu. So now this time in the last hour the Kishu start jumping, and still, my friends, they are in the jumping mood. So absolutely, if they continue this kind of changes, if they continue this kind of jumping, so that will give you good amount of profit, my friends, in the future. So that's why I really recommend for all of you in my previous videos, and now at this time I also recommend for all of you that please hold to the last of this month, my friends. Absolutely, and the July, my friends, the huge pump of the Kishu is coming soon. So that's why I really recommend for all of you that please hold Kishu to the last of this month, my friends. And now the price of the Kishu is very low, so absolutely everyone can easily buy Kishu, my friends, because the price is very low. And my friends, tell me in the comment box, how do you feel about a Kishu? Personally, I'm feeling very good about a Kishu. Kishu, will become a Shiba token, my friends. Shiba is on the way to hit 1 USD dollar. Same like that, Kishu also going to hit 1 USD dollar very soon, my friends. Anyways, what is your opinion? What is your prediction about Kishu? Please share in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe channel for more news and updates videos.